city. And now for the first breakfast, actually now it's already midday time, but anyway, we headed to Churreria El Novo for some churros and torta next door. The churros with a dip.
And some ice cream.
Leche condensada, yes, and some ice cream with churros.
Los voladores, ancient Mesoamerican ritual still performed up to this day. 5 men are dressed in red and white outfits. They climb to the top of the pole, reaching as high as 30 meters. Before 4 of them proceed to tie themselves to the top of the pole with a rope, they wait until the master spinner begins to play a drum or a flute on the platform at the top. The other 4 voladores, flying men, launch themselves from the top of the pole and descend as the ropes around the pole unwind. They are secured by a rope tied to 1 foot. In total, the voladores circle the pole 52 times, symbolizing the circle of Mesoamerican calendar. The legend says that the ceremony dates back hundreds of years and began in central Mexico during a time of severe drought. The dance of the voladores came about as a way to appease the gods and ask the return of the rains. The ritual is so significant and unique to the Mexican culture that the dance of the voladores has been named as an intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO.
Torre Latino. This skyscraper is not only a Mexican landmark, but it is also an internationally recognized structure among engineers and architects. The Torre Latino was the first skyscraper successfully built in a highly seismic zone.
Wanted to spend a relaxing afternoon in Mexico City. However, on this particular day there was a Mexican national holiday and all the streets were full with people. It was not possible to find any taxi or bus, so we basically were stuck and had to trail back 1 hour to our hotel. That is the definition of chaos. An absolute
real chaos. We cannot get out of here. We cannot find out a way of from here.
Pulqueria in Templo de Diana, and we're trying a local traditional drink called pulque. And Greta has a mango pulque, and I have a piña pulque, which is a pineapple. So let's see how it tastes.
How is it?
Interesting. Interesting.
My turn.
Xochimilco is the network of canals and vegetable plots that were created by the Aztecs and they are still in use today. Xochimilco was once a lakeside village connected to Tenochtitlan, the Aztec city where the historic center of Mexico City now stands. Today it is the part of Mexico City and it still has the canals and semi-floating flowers and vegetable gardens or chinampas built by the Aztecs. Nowadays it is popular both with tourists and city's inhabitants. People can rent one of the many decorated trajineras. They have a roof and a table down in the middle. A local boatman poles the pond along between banks shaded by willows. Waterborne mariachis will provide entertainment, and while smaller boats sell typical Mexican snacks and drinks such as pulque or beers.
Food offers from everywhere. We couldn't resist, of course. We got ourselves corn, cheese quesadillas. They're offering drinks and mariachi music all around. So the point is to get on this boat, not only just boring the swim through the canal. You gotta order food, you gotta order drinks, you gotta listen to music. That's the whole point.
Good evening.